Hello and welcome to our video. How to fix falling asleep while doing SATS, the state akin to sleep. There is no doubt that Neville's SATS, the state akin to sleep, is one of the most powerful techniques when it comes to manifesting because of the way it triggers your imagination and helps you get the feeling of your wish fulfilled. In fact, those moments before falling asleep and after waking up are crucial for your manifestation, but some people are having trouble reaching SATS and they tend to fall asleep. So this is exactly why in this video I will give you 7 steps in order to help you reach SATS. So stay tuned until the end because 2 of those steps are what Neville's family used in order to become millionaires and manifest wealth. And don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to subscribe. But now it's time to get started. So the first step has to do with lighting. Try with the lights on or having some light source on instead of just laying around in complete darkness, so you don't fall asleep immediately. The second step has to do with our position. Try not getting overly comfortable. Choose an unusual spot to do your visualization. You can lay on a different side of the bed or position that you don't normally use for sleep. Other people find successful to use more pillows than usual, so your head is a bit raised. Other people choose an armchair to do the visualization or something like that. The third step has to do with timing. Find your timing to do it. If you feel too tired, you may go to bed earlier than usual, so you can have time to visualize and reach that semi-awake state before falling asleep. The fourth step has to do with separation. Separate the procedure. Try the first step of the procedure, which is relaxation and feeling relaxed while being on a chair, and then you can move to your bed to continue the part of the visualization, so you can try to fall asleep in the state. The fifth step has to do with the time of the day you visualize. Find another time of the day to do it. You don't necessarily have to fall asleep, but to visualize in this semi-awake state. In fact, Neville's father used to visualize after breakfast. You don't necessarily have to do it before sleep, but you can achieve this state during meditation or a state of deep daydreaming. The sixth step has to do with another trick that Neville's father used to use. Instead of closing his eyes completely, he partially closed his eyes. So, try closing your eyelids slightly so your mind doesn't wander, but at the same time you don't fall asleep. And if you are more experienced, you can even do it with your eyes open. Try to see if it fits you. The seventh step has to do with repetition. Keep repeating. It may take some time, but it will be worth it, trust me, because visualizing during this state is a guaranteed success. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.